I got myself a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and in this video I want to show you some sample footage of some of the awesome features that you're getting while riding my e-wheel. The Hero 7 Black is already named the gimbal killer, so I'm pretty eager to hear your opinion about the sample footage after the intro. What's going on, and welcome to the channel. I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want tips, tests and easy to follow tutorials for your camera drone and camera gear, then consider subscribing and hit the bell. I promise you won't regret it. The GoPro series is all about action. It is an action camera, so I thought it would make perfectly sense for me to ride my electric unicycle while recording some sample footage to show you a bit of the potential that you get with the Hero 7 Black. I got the black version because this is the top model that offers a 4K in either 50 or 60 FPS with the new Hyper Smooth image stabilization. There's a lot of other features that you're getting with the Hero 7 that I could cover in a separate video. Let me know if this is interesting in the comment section below. When I first heard about it, Hyper Smooth sounded a bit like a marketing BS, but I must say it's pretty effective. It's not gimbal effective, but it's effective enough that I don't want to have the hassle about bringing a gimbal. The big thing about this camera is the 4K resolution in high FPS can be stabilized, but at the same time that will also offer you the classic GoPro look with a lot of barrel distortion due to the wide angle. Some people like this look, they even go as far as saying this is the GoPro signature look, but I don't like it. I don't like the distortion, and this is another step for me to correct in post-production before the footage is usable. I'm way more excited about being able to record 1080p 25 frames per second with the new stabilization technology together with the GoPro colors that will allow me to use the footage directly out of the camera. This makes sense to me because I mainly do YouTube. Let's look at some 1080p real life scenarios using the Hyper Smooth. The first clip is 1080p 25 frames per second where I handheld the GoPro Hero 7 Black while I'm riding the electric unicycle. The second scenario is the same, where I just switched the camera into time lapse. As you can see, the Hyper Smooth works here as well. The third clip is where the GoPro is mounted directly on my electric unicycle. This is the raw stabilization that you see here because there's no way of correcting the camera while in motion. The fourth clip is the same scenario, just switched into time lapse. As you can see, and I hope you agree as well, this is pretty convincing and it definitely blew me away compared to my previous Hero 5 that had little or no stabilization at all. Also, the time warp, time lapse or hyperlapse function, as some of the other manufacturers would call it, is a pretty nice effect. It includes the stabilization as well, so it's not just a stack of pictures that are added together. The Hyper Smooth is basically stabilization from the Hero 6 turned up a notch. What they have done this time is that they have added live predictions of the movement that will allow the camera to predict which way the camera moves and hereby stabilize the image. And from what I can see, so far this is working pretty nice. It does have some issues when panning due to the high shutter speed, but that was more or less expected. You would need a set of ND filters to help minimize that. Further, I noticed some strange oversaturated areas in the footage, as well as some artifacts introduced, I guess, due to the heavy post-processing inside the camera. You can already tell that I'm pretty excited about the Hero 7 Black, and this will probably be my new best friend when I'm on the road. This is so versatile and offers so many new ways of me capturing footage, and it will make it pretty easy for me to bring you along. There's a lot to be said about the Hero 7, so I will probably cover this in separate videos as already mentioned. So if there's something that you're eager to know about the Hero 7 Black, then let me know in the comment section below. If you already made up your mind and want to support my channel, there's a link in the description below for a great bundle deal that you can pick up if you decide to get one. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to watch another one, I could recommend this, or maybe this.